In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print just the PowerPoint notes. This can be particularly handy for educators, students, or professionals who need to review their presentation notes without printing the entire slide deck. This not only saves paper, but allows for a more focused review of your presentation content. So let's dive straight into how you can do this with a few simple steps in Microsoft PowerPoint. First things first, you'll need to open your MS PowerPoint application. This might appear pretty basic, but it's the gateway to unlocking all other functionalities, including printing. Ensure your PowerPoint application is updated to avoid any compatibility issues or missing out on newer, more efficient options. Once you've launched PowerPoint, the next thing you need to do is to open your specific presentation file. You can do this easily from the opening screen, which welcomes you as soon as you start the application. Navigate to the file of interest by browsing your folders or using recent documents if you've worked on the file recently. After your presentation is open and ready, look towards the upper left segment of your PowerPoint window. Here you will see the File tab. Click on it. The File tab is where all the background settings of PowerPoint hide, including options for saving, sharing, and of course, printing your documents. Following this, you'll want to navigate to the Print option. Clicking Print takes you to the printing backend of PowerPoint, where magic happens. This is where you'll find a series of options that determine exactly how your document comes out of the printer. At this juncture, your default setup is likely configured to print full page slides, which means each slide is printed in full on individual pages. However, since our goal today is to print just the notes, you'll want to change this setting. Look for a button or drop-down menu that says Full Page Slides. Clicking on this will reveal a range of different printing methods. Among these options, you'll find Notes pages. Selecting Notes pages changes the print layout so that only the notes you've added underneath the slides in PowerPoint are printed. This option is particularly useful because it provides a clean, easy to read format that includes any annotations, explanations, or additional details you've added to your slides without printing the slides themselves. Now, with Notes pages selected, you're almost ready to print. But before you do, take a moment to preview your notes. This helps ensure that all the text is visible and that the formatting looks as expected. Adjustments can be made back in the normal PowerPoint view if necessary. Finally, with everything looking good and ready, you can click Print. This will send your notes to the printer, and shortly you'll have a physical copy of the notes portion of your presentation. Before wrapping up, here are a few additional tips to enhance your experience. If you're printing a lengthy presentation, consider the ink and paper you're using. Opting for double-sided printing or using a more eco-friendly paper can be beneficial. Customize the font size of your notes in PowerPoint before printing if you need larger text for easier reading. Remember to save your PowerPoint file after making any changes, especially if you've adjusted the notes for printing purposes. And there you have it. You've learned how to print just the notes from your PowerPoint presentation in a few simple steps. This handy feature of PowerPoint is great for various scenarios where you need a hard copy of your presentation notes, but don't want to waste resources printing the slides. Whether you're a student studying for exams, a teacher creating lesson content, or a professional preparing for a big presentation, being able to print just the notes can make your preparation process more efficient and focused. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Remember, practice makes perfect. Don't hesitate to rewatch this video and follow along with your PowerPoint file open to get the hang of it. Happy printing and see you in our next video.